Alright, these are the three rifle calibers that I think are the best. Number three is the 22 LR. The 22 LR is all around good for plinking, pest control, and trapping gun. It's one of my favorites. The 17 HMR is a great pest control gun and plinking gun. And my personal favorite, the 350 Legend. The 350 Legend shoots flat at 200 yards and shoots 8 inches a drop at 300 yards. It is the best deer hunting gun I've ever shot. And for those states like mine that have to have the straight wall cartridges for deer hunting,